Okay, good morning, first piece students. Yesterday, what did we discuss or what did we learn? Mean, variance and standard deviation for grouped data, discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution, mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay. So today we are going to the next topic, find mean and variance for the continuous frequency distribution. Continuous frequency distribution by using the shortcut method. Shortcut method is there and normal method is there. Both methods are confused. Okay, both methods you have to do totally confused. If you have to do both methods, then you are confused. So shortcut method, we have to learn shortcut method. Okay, if you will do the shortcut method, so both normal method, shortcut method, anyone will ask in examination. So particularly shortcut method, by using the shortcut method, particularly by solve the find mean and variance for the following data by using the shortcut method, means compulsory we have to do shortcut method. Otherwise any method. So by use find mean and variance for the following data, this is question, we have to, you can do shortcut method or normal method. Must be asking shortcut method, means must be you can do, you have to do shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಂದರೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸು ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ by the shortcut method. First of all, find mean and variance for the following. Problem number 7. Find mean and variance for the following. By using the shortcut method. Okay, clear? Classes, frequencies. 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150 to 180, 150 to 180, 180 to 210. Frequencies 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2. Okay. Table. These are classes. 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150 to 180, 180 to 210. Xi. This is frequencies 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2. Sum is equal to 30. Capital M. So, in continuous frequency distribution must be calculate midpoints. Compulsory we have to find out midpoints. Midpoints is nothing but Xi. How to find out midpoints? 0 plus 30 by 2, 15. The difference is, total difference is 30 difference. 30 to 60, 90, 1 to 30 the difference. So 15 plus 30, 45. You have any doubt? 6 plus 30, 90, 90 by 2, 45. 45 plus 30, 75, 105, 135, 165, 195, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 195. These are Xi. What is the normal method? X bar is equal to, simply X bar is equal to sigma Fi into Xi by No, simply. So, by using the shortcut method, Yi is equal to Xi minus A by H. This is the formula, Yi formula. Yi is equal to Xi minus A by H. What is A? What is A? A is midpoints in the observations. Observations we have to take midpoint. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 in Xi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. In 7, what is the middle one? This is 105. Very simple. Shortcut method is very simple, because Yi, in terms of Yi is equal to Xi minus A by H. In the continuous frequency distribution, what is Xi? Xi is nothing but midpoints of class intervals. And another method, discrete frequency distribution is already given. Discrete frequency distribution, what will given? Fi, Xi, observations and frequencies directly given. So this is not given in Xi. So find out Xi. How to find out? Midpoints of the intervals. xi minus a, this is a. H, what is h? A is equal to, here a is equal to 105 in observations only, not frequencies, because xi minus a means what? How to find out a? In the observations, the middle number, the middle one is the a. For example, these are 7 observation. In 7 observation, the middle one is exactly one middle one. This is 105. For example, the midpoints are, for example, even 8 or 6. For example, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6. This is 6 1. So what is a? A is, this is odd numbers. Odd numbers midpoint only single one. Even numbers midpoint, 2 midpoints are there. In 2 midpoints, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6. In 6 observation, what is a? Midpoints are 2 midpoints. 1, 2, 1, 2. These two are midpoints. Into, you can take any one. 75 or 105. No problem. We have don't any problem. Anything. 75 or 105. 2 midpoints are there. In even numbers, how many midpoints are there? 2 midpoints are there. In 2 midpoints, anyone you have to take, anyone you can take. Anyone you can take. 75 or 105. So observations are odd, means no, there is no problem, because middle one is only single one. So here the 7 is odd numbers. In odd numbers, what is the middle one? A is equal to middle number is the a. H is equal to what? H is equal to 120 minus 90 is equal to 30. Each difference, intervals difference, 0 to 30, 30 difference, 30 to 60, 30, 30, 30. Total you can take any interval difference is equal to the same 30. So a. So xi is equal to what? 15. 15 minus a is equal to 105. We have to calculate 15 minus 105 by 30. Okay, 15 minus 105 is equal to minus 90. Minus 9 by 30 is equal to minus 3. So minus 3. Next, 45 minus 105. 45 minus 60. 60 by 32 minus 2. Minus 1, 0, compulsory, sequence compulsory. Next, after 0, 1, 2, 3. The total yi is equal to always will come 0. We have to come 0. Will come 0. Compulsory 0. You take any one. Otherwise, wrong. Will not come 0. Otherwise, this is procedure wrong. Compulsory 0. Okay, next yiu. Okay, next yi square minus 3 whole square 9 4 1 0 1 4 9. Next fi into yi. Fi into yi. Fi into yi, Fi into yi, this one, Fi into yi, minus 6, 3 into minus 6, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 0, fourth one, 0, no? 0, 3 into 1, 3, 10, 6, Fi into yi, F and minus 12, minus 17, 19 and 2, this is equal to answer 2. Next, fi into yi square. Fi into yi square. Fi into yi square. 2 into 9, 18. 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 1, 5. 10 into yi square, 0, 0. 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 10, 50. 2 into 6, 12. So 18, 12, 5, 0, 9, 50. Fi into yi square. 5 into 4, 20. This is 20. Next 18. 2 into, so Fi into 2 into yi square. 18. 18, 12, 5, 0, 3, 20. This is 3. 3 means F5. F5 is equal to what in how many one? Fourth one. Fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F5 3. F5 into y square. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Okay, don't do that type of mistake. Okay. We have any single mistake. Single mistake means it's totally wrong. Don't do like that. This is totally is 76. Next, what is mean? First one, mean formula. Shortcut method. Normal method mean formula Fi into Xi by No. So this is A plus sigma Fi into Yi by N into H. A is equal to 105 plus sigma Fi into Yi is equal to 2 by capital N is equal to 30 into H is equal to 30. 30 cancel. 105 plus 2 is equal to 107 x bar. Next, variance. Variance formula H square by N square. Same formula, before formula. In the discrete frequency distribution, standard deviation formula, same, both are same. In the discrete frequency distribution, what is the standard deviation formula? H by N. No. Standard deviation nothing but the root of variance. So into N into this is N. The H square by N square is total all. Okay, N into sigma Fi into Yi square minus sigma Fi into Yi whole square. This N is only Fi into Yi square. The capital N belongs to only Fi into Yi square. The H square by N square belongs to the total value. So sigma square is equal to H square 30 square and N square also 30 square into N is equal to 30 sigma Fi into Yi square. Fi into Yi square is equal to 76 minus Fi into Yi 2 square. Cancel. Sigma square is equal to 30 into 70. 18, 22 minus 4, so 2276. This is the shortcut method. What is the normal method? Classes, frequencies, Xi is same. Here Fi into Xi. X bar formula, X bar is equal to sigma Fi into Xi by No. Next one, Xi minus X bar. Next, Xi minus X bar whole square. Last one, Fi into Xi minus X bar whole square. This one. Okay. For example, in our examination, find mean and variance for the following data. This is the question. Okay, following data. Don't given the shortcut method, only find mean and variance for the following data. Find mean and variance. So which type of method we have to do? Not given. Which type of method we have to do? Not given. So okay, so you have to do shortcut method. Okay, normal method ki shortcut method procedure ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. by using the shortcut method ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈಸಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸಿ. ಅದೇ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡು ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಕಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಕಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಕಿ ಒಂದೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ fi into xi, fi into xi minus x bar, fi into xi minus x bar whole square. First of all x bar, xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar whole square, fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, if you want normal method also we can do by the xi minus x bar procedure. Okay, next one. Okay, last one. The 10th problem. The diameters of circles, the diameter of circle in millimeters, diameter of circles in millimeter, drawn in a design, diameter 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44, 45 to 48, 41 to 48, 49 to 52. This is 15 frequencies, 15, 17, 21, 22, 25. Actually the intervals are the first interval upper limit to second interval lower limit to have to equal. That is the correct intervals. So in the problem not given correct intervals. Okay, so we have to modify the intervals first of all. First we have to observe first continuous frequency distribution. First we have to observe what we have to observe intervals. First interval lower upper limit to second interval upper limit to second interval lower limit to equal. We have to equal, otherwise we have to modify. Equal not equal means we have to modify difference in the textbook. In our textbook 10th problem, hint also given. What is the hint? In minus 0.5 plus 0.5. For example, 32.5 to 36.5. This one already given in the test. See your textbook problem number 10. Okay. First intervals ಏನು? Diameter 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44, 45 to 48, 49 to 52. This one. Next frequencies 15, 17, 21, 22, 25 frequencies. Sum of the frequencies is equal to 100. 25, 47, 68, 75, 68, 85, 100. Next modified intervals. Modified intervals is what? 32.5 to 36.5. Here minus 0.5 plus 0.5 balanced. 36 plus 33 plus 36 is 69. 32.5 plus 36.5 60, 68, 69. Both are same, but lower limit upper limit will change. Next here 36.5 to 40.5. Next 40.5 to, here the both are equal, 40.5 to 44.5. 40, this is 1, 2, 3, 44.5 to 48.5. Next 48.5 to 52.5. This is the intervals. Next XI midpoints. Fi, yi square, this is the procedure of shortcut method. Okay, you have to observe Fi, yi, xi means normal method. Fi yi square, xi yi square means this is shortcut method. Fi into xi minus x bar, this is the normal method. Midpoints is common. Midpoints 69. 69 by 2. 69 by 2 means 34.5. 34.5. Next to 77. These are both are same. These two adding these two and these two both are same. So 40, 37. 77. 77 by 2 is equal to 38.5. 38.5. How many difference here? 32.5 to 36.5. Difference is what? 4. Difference is 4. So now don't calculate each and every one. Each and every one midpoint don't calculate, because what is the difference? This difference is 32.5 to 36.5. Our difference is 4. So 34.5 plus 4, 38.5. 38.5 plus 4, 42.5. Next 46.5, 50.5 is clear. Okay, this is everyone you have to calculate is okay, no problem. So this is simplest method is the difference is what? First one is you have to calculate directly. So next one adding the difference. What h? What is the h? H is 4. So plus h plus h plus h plus h and so on. Okay. Next yi. Yi is equal to xi minus a by h. This is yi. So what is a? In the observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the middle one? This one is middle one. A. H. What is the H? H is equal to A is equal to 42.5 and H is equal to 41. 44 minus 41 is equal to 44. This one 44.5 minus 40.5 is equal to 4. Nearly difference. Each interval difference. H is equal to 4. So 42.5 minus A. 34.5. 34.5 xi. A is equal to 42.5. So what is the difference? 5 cancel. 34 48. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. This is the 2. Minus 2. Next minus 1. 0, 1, 2. Must be compulsory. The total yi is equal to 0. Compulsory. Minus 1, next minus. Any one, any interval. The difference is 10. That for example, before problem difference is 30 difference. So this is 4 difference. Difference is not important. So any difference, any type of difference, but the yi is first, the middle one a before 0. Remaining minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The totally 0. Next fi into yi or yi square. Next one, anyone, yi square. yi square, yi 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Next fi into yi. fi into yi, fi into yi. Minus 30, minus 17, 15 into minus 2, minus 30, 17 into minus 1, minus 17, 21 into 0, 0, 22 into 1, 22, 25 into 4, 100. So totally minus 30, minus 17, 0, 22. This is fi into yi, 25 into 2, 50, only 50. So 25, minus 30, minus 47, minus 40 plus 3 plus 20, 25 is correct. Next fi into yi square. fi into yi square, 15 into 4, 60, 17 into 1, 17, 0. Next 22 into 1, 22, 25 into 4, 100. So 60, 17, 0, 22, 100. The total is 199. So what is the mean and variance on standard deviation? First mean. Mean x bar is the formula a plus sigma fi into yi by n into h. A is equal to 42.5 plus sigma fi into yi is equal to 25 by fi capital N is equal to 100 into h is equal to 4. So that is equal to 42.5 plus 1. So that is equal to 43.5. So 25 into 400, 100 cancel. So 43.5. Standard deviation, directly standard deviation. Standard deviation formula, actual variance formula h square by n square. So what is standard deviation? Root of variance. So h by n into root of n into sigma fi into yi square minus sigma fi into yi whole square. This is the formula. H is equal to 4, n is equal to 100 to root of 100 into sigma fi into yi square. Fi into yi square is equal to 199 minus sigma fi into yi whole square. So 25 whole square. So 4 by 100 is equal to 1 by 25 into root of 199 zeros minus 25 whole square is equal to 625. So that is equal to 1 by 25 into root of 900 minus 625 is equal to 275, 900, 275, 19,275. Root of 19,275 is equal to, is nearly 5.55. Okay, this is root value. Root value is equal to 25 5s 125. Okay, 12.2. 125.55, 25 5s. So nearly, this is nearly value. Root is this perfect square means, for example, root 4 is equal to 2, the perfect square. Otherwise is a similar value, near value we have to calculate, or this is 5.55, nearly value, this is near value. So the total answer is 5.55. So this is group data, continuous frequency distribution shortcut method, both types. Good. Intervals, so this is correct intervals, or this is 2 types of problems are completed. So tomorrow we are going to the next one. Thank you.